Oi!
The question is, I have not sledded in years. And I've gone on me. You absolute airsoft. He pooed himself, he pooed himself!
You are not sitting in my car!
I didn't!
You are not sitting in my car!
You dirty bastard!
Hey guys, it's coming to the end of the year, so I thought let's go ahead and put all the best and funny clips which we have got from 2023 into a video. I'm going to keep this intro short, so I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys have a good laugh. Have a good one, lads.
It's the fucking traitor. I'm not.
Oh!
Against the Geneva Convention. Oh,
Right, yeah. Traitor.
All good.
First time ever seen anyone.
Are you dead, mate? Huh? Are you dead?
Nope.
Wait. That didn't go off, did it? Oh. Well, mate. Yup, fuck it, let's do it. Right, best. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, go. Fuck.
Rock, yeah. Lead him again.
Oh. 2, 1, go. Nice try, mate.
Can you make sure the camera's there?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, let's do it again.
Oh,
let's do it again. Okay, ready?
Society bullying.
3, 2, 1, go.
I feel you're all ganging up on me now. No.
Hey.
Thanks, guys. Feeding the love. Feeding the love. Feeding it.
Stairs.
Oh, fuck.
Swallow. Down. No.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, mate. Oh, fuck's sake, the blue. Well, that was embarrassing. Great tactics and execution. Horrible intel. Oh, no. I will fully auto you.
We have a pack of really angry surf ball moving between Med Center and Pond. Your eyes out.
No! I am ready to do it! You can't, motherfucker! You know what? You point that gun at me, you see what happens.
Don't worry, I'm not.
Your family, what is your problem?
Yep.
You count, get all spread out. That's okay. Then I'll get on next 0.
Nice.
Cool.
Spread out. Right. I'm gonna go for a grenade.
That's what I think.
Moving. Nate! Clear!
Okay, there is no sign of marker rough. We're in the same house, there is no sign of marker rough. Christian, shut the fuck up, man. Do it again.
Hit!
soft spot. Fucking hell. You got me in the soft spot. Bleeding out. You're more than a fucking medic. Fuck it. No. I'm a bit of a train down. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm thinking.
One down, one down.
UK. Oh, fucking. Yeah, we banged the hostage. Fuck it! That's shit. I saw you tap your fucking head. What? Dude, concentrate.
I was concentrating.
No, you fucking weren't. You were trying to fuck me in the arse. You were trying to fuck me in the arse.
Yeah, I was.
He's fat.
Is a juggernaut in there?
Yeah, but he's.
Is he there? Oh, is it Barry?
Wait, he's on our team.
Oh, so you're not on my team?
I'm not, everyone says he's not shooting yet.
Then?
I'm running away, but all you yellows are stood next to me having a chat.
What, are you dead or alive or what?
I mean, I'm alive, but if you want the smoke, then we'll go. But
Well, mate, okay, please don't shoot me, because we'll drop this. You go your way, we go our way.
I've just killed
if
him.
you want to threaten me with grenades, I've got one. Like that.
You know what, mate? You want to go?
Listen, hey, stop aggravating!
Nope.
Come on then, 20, 19,
Oh, fuck
18, 17, 18.
Time to go.
Let's go.
Leave, move.
Okay, now I need to. I've been told to throw pyro. Oh, fair enough. So he walks in casually.
Well, you throw pyro at me, I'll throw an impact back at you.
Blue medic!
We'll check that room, right? Yeah. Oh, shit! Fucking hell, man! Fucking grab me my barrel, scared the shit out of me! Oh, I'm so glad I had that in my hands! You fucker!
What, they calling me?
Yeah, same where you at.
Or just respond for me?
Fucking hell.
Take him over our way.
Fucking hell, how the hell was it a
That made a
whiz?
proper fucking bullet whiz. Sorry.
Yeah! Yeah, same where you at.
Or just respond for me?
Fucking hell. Who needs reds when we got a hill?
We have the high ground!
Go on, Christian! Go on, lads! Look, it's that simple. It's that simple.
Let me know when you get off.
Alright, bro. Juggernaut, do you want round two? Ah! Man, you suck!
Hey, think about it.
Right, Juggernaut. Okay, we're going to be friends, right?
I mean, I could count to one and still fire.
You shoot, I drop it.
2, 1.
No! That was karma from last time.
Hit, shout hit, bro. He's dancing.
What? Put in the fucking light bulb.
Fuck.
Bravo.
Look, wait, Oh, no, hit first.
3, 2, 1.
Play it rear. Grabbing VIP, Conway.
Oh, come on, that white hoodie guy got hit there. Yeah, he did, cool. Did he call that? I hit. Right, got.
You got terrible breath, I confirm for you.
Yeah, wipe your arse once in a fucking while. Do you want to go D2, D3 or embassy?
Oh god.
Oh, Luke's camera. Luke, no. Luke, no. Violence is not the answer.
Oh yeah, you're right.
No!
Started using stability, so I fucking ripped the branch off and fell backwards.
I turned up in a skull in his
Here we go. Game?
Oh, game, right. Let's go down the hill and just...
Okay. But I thought we got to stick with the team.
We're different.
Yeah.
We're the team.
We're the special squad.
That's not allowed!
Yeah, I'll play that. Okay.
Sorry, mate. Didn't mean to jump scare you.
Red medic! Red medic!
Sorry, mate.
Red medic! Red man! Good push, bro.
Cheers, man. Oh. I'm going to turn this so I can come up. Is my Velcro still attached to this or no? Do I have any Velcro attached to it? Mate. Cool, at least that's good.
Do you like some assistance?
If you could, mate, that'd be great. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm blue, mate. You know, I appreciate you not saying anything.
Dead men don't talk.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You open the door, we got you.
Go. Sorry, is that crazy? Okay.
I know exactly where they are. I saw them. Give me cover, I'm going to do another nade. Crossing.
Oi, alright! Okay, go for it.
Are you guys blue? Are you blue, yes or no?
Just there.
I did ask.
I didn't know it came from down there.
So I need comms on both sides.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Press the 1. Rock, paper, scissors. There, mate. Try and make up one for it. Shit, mate. Oh, fuck me! Oh, fuck! Oh! Oh, fuck! Fire on! Wait, hold!
Put the weapon on the ground! Put the weapon on the ground! Lads, get the fuck up! We made a deal! We made a deal with you!
We did make a deal!
Guns down! It's our deal. Space it, lads! Get them hands off! We're teaming as a cliff. One more step. Right.
Move back!
There you go.
Well played, mate.
Nice one.
Yeah, you too. Yeah, I swear I heard 10 minutes.
I heard. What? Oh, well. Yeah, get him! I surrender. It's still 10 minutes.
Still 10 minutes, right? Oh, there you go, back. Back to our position, screw it.
Different sides of the building.
Yeah, fuck it, let's do it.
Give us 5. This one, Mag. This is a war crime until I've got a Mag.
Hit! Yellow medic!
Yellow medic! Yellow medic!
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Sorry about the ringing there.
Wait, who's one grenade? Are you fucking yellow?
No, I was ready. Oh, mate, I was ready there.
That was fucking confusing.
Mate, it's been across the fucking here. Mate, it's been a cluster fucking here.